Subscribe to the channel to regularly receive the latest videos from YouTube. GooCarRW.
Honda CBR 250R will be launched in India. Previously, there was a report that alternative models would be adding new features in the future. Minoru Kato, president and CEO of Honda Motor and Scooter India, said in March that the company planned to launch 2 scooters and 2 new motorcycles. Among them, the Honda Africa Twin DCT and the Honda Click were launched, so there was still a scooter and a motorcycle still undisclosed. According to Autocar, the next car that will show the world is the Honda CBR 250R or Honda CBR 300R 2017. However, if a replacement for the Honda CBR 150R, the car will be screened Honda CBR 150R 2017,